Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easily duplicate objects in Illustrator. So very simple and easy way to duplicate any any shape or any object. Like we have this object, to duplicate press Ctrl plus Alt and select and drop anywhere. Select it, then press Ctrl Alt. Now once you see plus icon on your mouse cursor, so drag and drop like this. Another way, select it, Control C, Control V, and another way, press Control D, select it, Control C, Control V. Now press Control D. Another way, select it, press Control Alt, drag and drop. Now Control D. So this way you can duplicate objects as many as you need with same size and with same distance between two shape. So this is the smart way. I will show you again. So firstly you need press Ctrl Alt, drag and drop. Keep your required distance. Now Control D like this. In horizontal, same, Control Alt. Now Control D. That's it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.